Today we will talk about this fractional laser. Introduction to assembly, operation and interface. What we see now, it is the fractional laser. All accessories inside this box is a light gate arm. We will teach customers how to assemble it later. There are some clips here. This is the air outlet for the blower. Then there is the foot switch, controls the energy output of the laser. This is the dot matrix head. It is also the most critical part of the light gate wall, including its connecting wire. All probes must pass through it. To connect, then go this way. This is the pipette funnel for adding water. Under normal circumstances, we need to assemble. Then let's demonstrate. The one above is when operating the laser. Glasses worn by the operator. This is the mask worn by the clinician. This is the power card. This is the cutting head. This is all the private probes. The three you see here, they are all probes for operating private parts. This one, it is for operating the inner vagina. It is matched with a metal cover. The inner vulva has this. These two are for operating the vulva. When we assemble the inner vulva, there are two small probes to choose from. One is a 90-degree metal head. One is a 360-degree metal head. These two probes, the operation methods are different. For example, we use this 360-degree metal head for assembly. After screwing it on, then match it with this cover to operate. When using it, this cover must be put into the vagina first, then put this probe in. Then launch the laser. Then this is all the inner vulva, the length that needs to be assembled. This length is for each probe, all are needed. Now, we will add water to the instrument. Do not turn on the instrument yet. Fill the instrument with water first. Use this funnel. Open the water filling hole cover. Open the overflow hole cover. Then connect the pipe to the funnel. Then connect the funnel pipe to the water filling hole. Make sure the overflow hole is open. The drain hole is closed. Add water. Because the instrument, currently it has added some water. If there is water coming out of the overflow hole, this means that the water in this instrument is full. Okay. When water comes out of the overflow hole, it means that the water tank of the instrument is full. At this time, you can stop adding water, cover the overflow hole. Unscrew the water filling hole. When the overflow hole is screwed on, you don't have to tighten it very tightly. It allows air to enter. Form a cycle. Just like now, it will be fine. You can leave the water filling hole unscrewed for now. Now I am assembling the foot switch. First, screw the lock wire ring onto the foot pedal. It is normally removed when shipped. After tightening it like this, plug the end of the foot cable connected to the host. Then tighten its lock. Next, assemble the light gate arm. First, take off all the covers of the machine, including the blue cover of the light gate arm. When transporting, make sure this cover is on top. You can take it off, keep this cover afterward. Now assemble this end. Put it vertically on the hole of the host. Then tighten it here and lock it. After installing the light gate arm, you can feel that there is no resistance. When you put it down, it will hammer down. At this time, there is an arrow here. Pull the light gate arm upwards. You can see that it moves a little. At this time, the installation is complete. He felt resistance at this time. Let's try to let go, then pull it down. The light gate arm is not normal. Then we assemble the dot matrix head. Open the front cover. When assembling, it has many positioning edges at the joint. At this time, you need to find the corresponding one and then plug it in. After plugging it in, the ring can be tightened. Then connect the light gate arm. When connecting, it is threaded here. Connect to this part. Connect by twisting this section. Next, assemble the air pipe. First, if the air pipe is used only on the cutting head and the dot matrix head, just look for this hole is on the cutting head and the dot matrix head. You can confirm it now. Only on the dot matrix head and this head, then you need to install the air pipe. The air pipe installation is very simple. Just connect this hole with this hose, and you're done. Then when connecting, just use the hard plugging method. Just put it in. One end is connected to the handle. The other end is connected to the host. After that, you need to fix these tubes and 手柄的线进行固定。 Go to the light gate arm. At this time, you need to use the buckle. Operate from here. One has been installed here. Then do another one over here. After that, if the customer needs it, you can also fix the line below. I won't demonstrate it here. After assembly, you need to put the key, insert it into the top of the machine. It is inserted vertically. Next, turn on the power of the instrument. After plugging in the power, it is controlled by the emergency switch above and the key switch. Insert the key here first, just demonstrated here. After plugging in, turn half a circle clockwise. This means the key is turned on. Then the emergency switch. Also rotate half a circle clockwise. After the emergency switch rebounds, it means turning on the power. Normally when not in operation, you can turn off the machine through the key switch, or turn off the machine through the emergency switch. You need to know these two switches. You can turn off the power. You can do both. You can turn off both at the same time, or you can turn off one of them separately. Control this switch. When operating, both need to be turned on. Be sure to remember to turn both on. The power can then be officially turned on. After turning on the power, the water filling hole cover on the back of the instrument, you can screw it on. Look here at this position. At this time, it takes about half a minute to turn on the machine. Screw on this cover, but you don't have to tighten it. Just twist it roughly. Just fix it on it, including the following. If there is water seepage here, you can tighten it a little. Tighten it roughly, then return to the interface. Take a look at the operation on the interface. After turning on the machine, enter the operation interface. It will show full functions. Let's look at the first one first. You can see it here. This button in the upper right corner. It controls infrared rays. Its main function is to locate. It is now closed. Click to open. After opening, it will form an infrared ray. For example, when different shapes are needed. When switching, it will also respond accordingly and be displayed. Then this button on the interface is used to save parameters. Then the graphics switch Just demonstrated here. You can switch when you click on the graphics, the left, right, up, and down buttons. You can control the size of the graphics. For example, when adjusting the plus or minus of a square, for example here, you can find this is to reduce its size, or when increasing its size. And this side, a parameter size adjustment on the graph. It is controlled through the arrows on both sides. To take control, this is a return button. This is the preparation button. Go down. It is an adjustment setting for intensity. It is recommended to start from low to high. Generally it is about 1Hz. Then these parameters, you can fine-tune it later. Let's briefly explain it. The first is stay time. The time period for the output to stay on the skin. You can add or subtract control here. And here is its interval time. The interval time refers to every time a shot is output, its interval time. Set it here. Then go down. That is the distance between points. For example, the points are on the skin. It is a line connected by each point. The distance between points, that is the first point and the second point. The distance in the middle, this is the setting. Then, that's not right. This refers to the mode setting. There are 3 modes. They are in order. This is in a disordered order. Then there is the middle part. We will demonstrate it later. The difference between the 3 types, the last one is a number of times. For example, after pressing the pedal, you can press it once. If you set it twice, that means you can press the pedal twice, or more settings. Let's demonstrate it. It's dotting. There are 3 modes of dotting. Now let's demonstrate the first order of dotting. Click on the interface and then press the pedal. On the interface, click on the interface and then press the pedal. This is a sequential tapping. Its pattern. Show it here again. Randomly dot. Every time you adjust the parameters, you need to prepare again. This is out of order. That is the middle part. This is the middle part. The graphics they print on the mode are the same, because I chose a square graphic here. If the customer needs to print, for example, a hexagon or a triangle, just switch on the graphics. Now let's introduce the cutting interface. Click Sign D to enter the cutting interface. In the cutting, there is a cutting mode for setting. You can use the arrow. This is cutting. This is a single point. This is continuous. Then you can control the switch on it, or use the button below to switch. Now let's take a look at the single shot mode. The settings on the button. First of all, the first one is its intensity setting. The following is its stop point setting. Then the pulse width. Pulse interval. We can find that here the pulse width and interval are both displayed as 0.0. This is not adjustable. Then switch to continuous mode. In continuous mode, similarly, the pulses are not adjustable in terms of energy. That is, its intensity is adjustable. Okay, let's proceed. Assembly on the cutting head. Let's take a look here. When assembling the cutting head, you only need this air pipe and this joint. This dot matrix head will be removed. When installing the dot array head, unscrew it. Install all cutting head. Now use thermal paper. Demonstrate. For example, cutting the customer's tumor or meat particles. You can set some high point parameters on the interface. After the preparation, you can then operate. Now let me demonstrate again. When testing on thermal paper, the energy can be slightly stronger. If it is operated on the human body, the energy should be from low to high. Perform the operation. It is equivalent to cutting off some flesh particles on the skin or some other tumors. Next, let's introduce D. It is the mode of operating the inner yin. First, look at a display on the graph. There are only two types, other buttons. The operation is the same as on the dot matrix. I won't explain it here. Let's look down. This is the intensity setting. The number of dwell time points. Then adjust the line spacing. Then, it is the line spacing adjustment. This is to adjust the line spacing on the mode and dot matrix. There are also three types. Further over here is the number of scans and the scan line number. Next, we will demonstrate the assembly of the private probe. First, remove the cutting head. Then install the dot matrix head. Then take off the dot matrix mirror head. Install the private mirror head. Finally, install the private probe. This is the inner vagina head. Then install the other end. You can choose two small probes on the other end. There are 360 and 90 probes. Here I installed a 360 small probe. I won't do a clinical demonstration here. Here is also a thermal paper, energy test, inner valve test. Because it is equipped with a 360 small probe, at this time, the entire probe needs to be wrapped. Because it's laser output, it will refract along the edges. At this time, it needs to be completely wrapped. Let's take a look at the operation of the private probe. Replace the private probe from here. Both of them are used for private operations. We will use one of them. When installing the inner or outer valve of the private probe, Keep the top of the mirror head. Just replace the metal tube below corresponding entry. This is the final operation of the valve probe. Its interface is the same as that on the dot matrix. I won't go into details here. Then let me test it for you. Take a look. In this case, it's just that the density is too high. It can be lowered a little bit.